Laid 5 chicken eggs. 1. Red. Just like the comb and wattle on a chicken. 2. Yellow. Yellow like the little chicks that will soon grow into chickens. 3. Blue like a blue tractor that plants and harvests crops. 4. Green. Green like the crops on a farm. Yum, yum. 5. Purple. Like this horse's coat. Horses wear coats too. They need to keep warm in the winter time. Let's have a bounce on the trampoline. I better keep an eye out for that rooster. He's always after my eggs. This is fun. This is good for me to get some exercise. We all need exercise.
Shh.
Oh, my eggs have gone! It must have been that rooster! Again! I must get them back. Where could he be? He's always stealing my eggs, and I laid those myself. Just because he's a rooster and he can't lay eggs, doesn't mean he can steal mine. What a naughty rooster! Ooh! Look, all gone. Let's go on an egg hunt.
Number 1. Red. Number 2. Yellow. Number 3. Blue. Number 4. Green. And number 5. Purple.
That's 2 eggs so far. Shh!
were my eggs! My eggs! They were my eggs! They were
my eggs. I laid them.
But I can't lay eggs! I can't lay eggs! I can't lay them! I can't lay eggs!
Why don't you try? Just squeeze them out.
My egg! My egg! If you want to see us, open this egg for the Kinder surprise Easter special. Watch Mikey's madness, and you'll see us open the egg and to see what's inside. Shh! Thanks for watching.
If you like our videos, hit the like button. Hit that subscribe button down there. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Have fun.